Hi guys, this is the first 4 problems for the lines test review, aka the chapter 4 summative. So this video will be numbers 1 through 4, which is focusing on writing the equation of a line in point slope form. So that equation is given to you on the right hand side. So if we look at number 1 and the information we're given a slope and a y-intercept. Remember, a y-intercept is just a point, so we can use that as our x1 and our y1 and our slope as our m. We have everything we need and we just need to plug it in. So if we go to our formula, y minus y1, I'm going to change that to y plus 3. And then we have on the right hand side of the equal sign our slope, which is 2, times x minus x1, which is 0. And we're done. We can leave it like that. So if we look at number 2, we get a point for -1 and a slope, which is our m. We have everything we need to just plug right in. Y minus -1 changes to y plus 1. On the right hand side of our equal sign, we have our slope, which is -1/2, times x minus our x1, which is 4. And again, I know it's really tempting for us to distribute those slopes, but it really, if it's asked for point slope form, it needs to look like the point slope form formula. Now, numbers 3 and 4 are a little bit different only because we aren't given the slope outright, but we are given 2 points. So what we can do is use our handy dandy slope formula. So we have our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in our numerator, 4 minus -2 is 6, and our denominator, 5 minus 3 is 2. Reduce that fraction to 3. There's our slope. Now from here, we just pick the first point or the second point. So I'm going to pick that first point and use the slope I just found and plug it into my point slope formula. Right? If you wanted to use the second point, you would then just use 5 for x1 and 4 for x2, or 4 for y2. So we've got 5, 4 with a slope of 3. Here would be your formula if you plugged in 5, 4 for your point. So either of those two, the blue or the green equation, would be accepted for full credit. We're going to do the same thing for number 4. First, we need to find the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 5 minus 3 is 2. -4 minus -2 is really -4 plus 2, which is -2, and that slope reduces to -1. Let's plug it into our slope formula using that first point. Y minus 3 equals -1 parentheses x minus -2 changes to x plus 2. If we wanted to use that second ordered pair, we would have y minus 5 equals negative parentheses x plus 4. Right, that's it for this video. Check the playlist for other solutions to other problems from the test review. Thanks for listening.